Hello, it's Branch Try to Leverage Lane back again with another macro video. In this video, I want to show you an Excel macro that will allow you to quickly find the largest and smallest value in a workbook. Let's see it in action. Alright, let me show you this new macro by navigating to Excel. And you can see in this Excel workbook, I have some data and a variety of worksheets just indicating some quantity purchases of some fruit. So this new macro I have out on this custom macros tab, and what this macro is designed to do is to find the largest and smallest value from this workbook. Now by default, this macro will run looping through all worksheets and all cells to find these largest and smallest values. And you'll then see a message box indicating what is the max and the minimum in this workbook. Now you can see it's not very helpful because by default it is looping through all cells and all columns, which is pulling in the date fields and maybe the price field. And let's say I really want to pinpoint where I want to find that max and minimum. Let's say I just want to look in column E. So with a quick update to the VBA code and rerunning this macro, you'll now see the max is 90 and the minimum is 10. And I found that value by looping through column E in all of these worksheets. Now, one thing you may have noticed from that message box, it didn't pinpoint what worksheet name these values were found. Again, really easy to update this macro to really pinpoint exactly what you're looking for. Let me show you. If I run this macro again, this time what you're going to see is the name of the worksheet that holds the maximum and the minimum in this workbook. Now let me show you one more cool thing you can do with this macro. You can actually set up this macro to fire once this workbook opens. So each and every time you open this workbook, that message box will appear indicating the max and the minimum found with the worksheet name these values are found in, which is extremely helpful if you're having users come into a workbook, constantly updating the information, and all you really need is to be able to quickly open it and find these two values. So I really want to know what you think of this new Excel macro. I plan on using this really as a code segment in my existing macros where I need to find the largest values and the smallest values in specific ranges in Excel. But I absolutely want to know how you think you're going to integrate this in your daily processes. Leave some comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Stay awesome. Thank you so much for taking time to view this video. I really do appreciate it. If you want to start using the macro, I've seen the video, of a link in the description. If you could do me another big favor, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, stay updated on any new videos that I'm posting. Like us, follow us on all of our other social media channels, and as always, stay awesome.